In this video, we will show you how to edit screenshot in Uizard. If you guys want to get started with Uizard, you can use the links given down in the description. First, go to uizard.io in your web browser, then click on sign up for free. Next, click on sign up with Google and choose an account. After that, click continue and accept the terms and conditions by clicking accept. Once you're in, click on screen from the left side menu and select screenshot. Now choose either mobile or tablet and then click on upload an image. After uploading the screenshot, you can increase its size. Next, click on button from the left side and select a button, adjusting its place on the screenshot. You can also add text, images, and many more tools from the left side to enhance the screenshot. Various editing options are available to help you refine the image. So that's how to edit screenshot in Uizard. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Uizard. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.